Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I know you guess it. You can guess it. As you know, guys, this is seventh part, means seventh video of today on 6th December 2024. And as you know, this is just a new adventure story. So just imagine this, okay? Remember that. Just imagine this and enjoy this. Learn from this, okay? Learning is 100% true, okay? Lessons are very important. Imagine waking up on a 10 million yacht, the sun glistening off the water and the sound of waves gently rocking you awake. Today I am diving into what it's like to spend a day on a luxury yacht, and trust me, it's more than just a lavish experience. What is lavish? What is lavish? Just explain it in the comments if you know. Otherwise, I tell you. First off, the sheer scale of this yacht is mind blowing. Sheer scale? What is sheer scale? If you ever visit a yacht, so must write your thoughts in the comments. I never visit like yachts, guys, seriously. And it's not just a boat; it's a floating mansion with multiple decks, a hot tub, and even a helipad. It's designed for ultimate comfort. But here is the catch. Luxury does not equal happiness. As I explored every corner, I realized that all this opulence can feel empty without genuine connections and experiences. Next, let's talk about the crew. These professionals are the unsung heroes of yacht life. What is called unsung heroes? Can you understand it? Okay, and guys, please wait here. What you know, GTA 6 trailer is coming, guys. Trailer 2 is coming. What are your thoughts about it? What you are thinking about it right now? I don't want to explain it, okay? If you want a special video about it, so must write in the comments, then I will make, okay? Together. Okay, continue, please. They work tirelessly to ensure everything runs smoothly, cooking gourmet meals, organizing activities, and providing top-notch service. This taught me an important lesson: behind every great experience is a dedicated team making it happen. It's a reminder that success is rarely a solo journey. It takes collaboration and hard work. And the day progressed. I tried my hand at some water sports, jet skiing, and paddle boarding. The thrill was incredible, but it also reminded me that luxury is not just about longing. It's about embracing life and creating memories. The world has so much to offer if we are willing to step out of our comfort zones. Finally, as the sun set over the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, I reflected on my day. Yes, the yacht was extravagant, but the real value lay in the lessons learned: appreciation for teamwork, the importance of experiences over possessions, and the joy of living life to its fullest. So remember, whether you are on a 10 million yacht, $10 million yacht, or your own backyard, it's not about where you are, it's about who you are with and how you choose to live. Okay, bye for now. Subscribe my channel for